For day 3, the theme country is Africa. So they are going to be eating chapatis as their theme snack. This is a thicker than a tortilla, kind of a mix between like a tortilla and pita bread, but you're using whole grain flour and a little bit of salt and some water, and you're mixing it together. And you're gonna add some olive oil, and you're gonna keep folding it in on itself until you fry it on a griddle or a skillet with a little bit of olive oil. And that's all that there is to this snack. It looks like it's covered in salt or sugar or something, but it's really just the whole grain texture coming out in it. The other snack is shades of cake. The kids are going to be learning about how we're all one race. We just have different levels of melanin in our skin. So they're going to be given miniature cupcakes that are different shades. So using yellow cake mix, you're going to add a little bit of chocolate in some of them. So some of the cupcakes are going to be plain white or yellow, and then some of them are going to be chocolate. You're going to do the same thing with the icing. You can use homemade or store-bought icing. Some will be white icing, others will be different shades of chocolate. It's kind of hard to get a different shade of chocolate on the cupcakes. So just try your best, but give each kid 3 different shade miniature cupcakes for their snack. The healthy snack in honor of Africa is watermelon cut into pyramids. So it's watermelon pyramids. That's day 3.